What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. And today we got the 63 Chevy C10 pickup truck and Matchbox moving parts. So the hood opens. There it is. Let's check it out. Let's slice it open. Let's check these out. Check that out. Beauty. This is one of those beautiful trucks in blue. C10. There you go. On the bottom is gray. Those wheels look nice on it. Beige interior, and the bed is also in beige. You got a little bit of white on the door, and I think that's a little bit of chrome. There it is. And the hood. So then the motor is also beige plastic. So there it is. Pretty cool. I like the truck. These moving parts are pretty fun. There you go. Thank you for watching, for tuning in. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and see you in the next one. Peace.